Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Glovo app. Your order is stuck. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Glovo app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. In here, we're just going to scroll down and click on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, we're just going to scroll down in here a little bit and click on storage in here. And you're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds. Now when it's done, scroll up a little bit until you can locate the search bar in the top, as you can see. So click on search here, search for Glovo, click on the app. And now we're just going to click on offload app, and once again, click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. And basically now you're just going to simply wait for your Glovo app to completely update to the latest version. So by the way, I did this myself, and after the update was completely finished, I just went back into the app and now it was working for me. But for some reason, if it's not working even after you have done this, then I would actually suggest you to contact their customer service. So just go into the app and then click on the help section and contact their customer service and explain to them exactly what kind of issues that you're facing, because then they are the only ones that can actually help us to fix this problem.